Hello, this is record for the 5th of January 2023, which is Thursday. Okay, so starting off Thursday today, we had news. If I could open it. hmm Um, we had import, export, trade of balance basically. We had global services, but I mean, not much. Jobless claim. Tomorrow's the one where it's gonna have a big impact. NFP, unemployment, and if we look at gold today made a huge move. You can tell what happened. This is good for currency, bad for gold. And look at the difference. It's almost 10 billion, which is a lot. Hence, the gold drop. Right here. This was in and of itself a great setup to take. Could not see any reason why one would not take this short right here down. It's perfect. Obviously not my strategy, so I don't trade it, but recognizing it is important, at least for me, myself, as I can anticipate what momentum, which side of the momentum I'm supposed to look at. Now, what we're seeing is a potential break and retest on this level. But again, let's see if gold's gonna hold or if it's gonna follow through. If it does hold, then we can potentially see this kind of movement. Should be really great. So as of current, this is what I'm looking at for gold. I'm not looking at anything else beyond. God, what can I? Uh-huh. What? Oh. Oh, oops. Okay. So if we look at the extension, right, let's change the color to green. Oops. Okay. We had this, so price is currently basically trading at this extension, and we're holding the level. This, why did I put it here? Because this is the first leg, potentially, and this is probably going to be a second leg. But again, looking at this, we are holding. Price had come here, but then faked out due to news. We're seeing if we're going to hold this level. If price holds this level, we potentially see this 50. In fact, I may have to move my entry slightly lower. There we go. But yes. This is what I'm looking at currently. Nothing much. And then that's basically it. The part is potentially this. Let's remove this. Draw again. Let's do this. Turn this gold. And this is where there's a potential right here. Okay, so that's gold. Silver. I mean, I also do have to mention I did not take any trades today. Set out mostly. Not gonna rush myself. Gonna stick to the plan and always pre-plan and let the following day do its thing. So back to silver. Silver, what I'm currently looking at is, if we look at monthly, we have been bullish for 4 consecutive months. This is the first month where price is basically dipping down, but you have to understand that December usually has a bullish run. So this might be a sell-off. Sell-off to where? This is beginning of December. So what we could see is if we put this to here, good God. Okay. What we're looking right now is the December rally, right? Obviously, I have a position here right now running. I don't want it to be tapped, but if it does tap, then it is what it is. Now, there's only two zones. I mean, there's only one that I'm looking at currently, eyeing on, which is this one. The 76.4 retracement would go in line with this key level. Definitely do not want it tapped. But okay. Beyond that, we see that price tap 60. Went straight. I don't have 23.6. There we go. Price tapped, and then we broke into 23, tapped and rejected 36.8. This was a great entry. I did not enter, and then price starts trading below 50, but now at 1 a.m., which is 3 more hours, I mean 3.5 more hours before session break for the Asian session, we're already stalling at this price level. More than likely, we're probably going to close here, then continue down or up depending on tomorrow's news. Price is most likely setting up for that. If it doesn't go up tomorrow, I'm pretty sure it's probably going to tap this or this and then go down. But it's news day, so I don't want to be trigger happy. GJ. GJ. GJ is in a channel, downward channel. Obviously, I want to see this tapped, but it didn't work out. I lost my position here as well last night, but I do believe that this is still going to play a decent role in rejecting when price do come to the spot level. As of current, I don't have any plans on GJ, not really. Have to see more. Have to see how price unfolds. GN, nothing much. Still consolidating. GA, big regret. Could have taken this short, could have taken this long, but most likely, but like more importantly, this short was, in hindsight, is very obvious. This is like a textbook break and retest. It's a shame. It's a shame that I did not see that. Okay, and so right now, because of how price has been respecting it, I do believe that we have a much fairer chance of tapping this level and actually reacting off. So I'm keeping an eye on it. US 500, nothing in particular as of now. US news tomorrow is gonna dictate where price is going. Now, if we want to assume where price is gonna go, then most likely the first one is this. Most definitely, we could see this tapped tomorrow. Otherwise, you see this tapped and then price go down to 23.6, which is this level, which I might take long at the bottom of it. There you go. And that's basically it. Honestly, this would correlate there we go. Correlate with this SPX. Tap tap. Who knows? Right? So that's that. Nothing much. Yeah, that's it for tonight. Psychologically, I feel more grounded now. Definitely not on that ego spree, which is great. Good thing I did not lose more than I should have. I mean, I lost quite a lot, but better than losing more than that. And on the bright side, I'm back to normal. And hopefully, throughout this year, I remain consistent and beat the market. That's it. That's all for today.